Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to insert column chart in Excel. You can very easily insert it. So firstly you need to select an area like this and click on insert, and you here see this option charts. So just click on it and click on more pie charts, and here you see this all charts, and here nearby this pie you see here this option column. So just click on it. In this list you see here this column option, so just click on it and you can select like this 100% stock column and etc 3D. So just simply select it and click on OK, and I will insert the text like this. You see here this instantly this pie will be work. Like I will type here text and you see the result instantly. So this way you can very easily insert, and you need to customize. So click on here chart title, you can customize it, and here you see this plus icon. So just click on it and you can adjust here data table and error bar or etc. So this way you can very easily insert column chart in Excel. Thanks for watching.